Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log your camera in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. For your information, this is one of the new features in Heartopia which has been released on March 5th. And with this feature guys, you can log the camera position so the camera will not follow you when you're moving like this. As you can see, the camera will follow my avatar while I'm moving, but when you log the camera position, the camera won't follow you. Okay, you can click on this camera icon to fix the camera, and when I move, the camera will not follow me. Okay, so you can adjust your position without being followed by the camera. Okay, it's cool. Okay guys, and that's how we can log the camera in Heartopia, so the camera will not follow us while we're taking picture. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.